In this video, I'm gonna show you how to log in Dayforce Payroll. Keep watching this video till the end. Dayforce Payroll is a cloud platform that combines HR payroll benefits, workforce management, and talent management in a single application. Firstly, open any web browser in your PC. Now start typing dayforcehcm.com in your search bar and press Enter key on your keyboard. After that, you will be directed to its website. From here, you can see the login interface. Now, type your company name, which must be the same while you created the account. Then type in the username and password. If you don't remember the password, you can click on Can't Access Your Account option, and from there you should be able to retrieve your account and password. After you fill in all the information, you can click on Login button, and then you will be logged in to the Dayforce Payroll account. If you like this video, do subscribe to our channel and also hit the thumbs up button. That will be all for this video, and I will be back soon with more.